Hi, this is Jáke with Serenity Knives. We're going over Benchmades that we carry, not everyday carry. I'm going to start with what I used to have. My very first Benchmade was this Rift. When I'm picking blades, I try to go for something that is going to be easily sharpened. So something that's a little bit straighter, something that's not going to be too curvy, especially up here towards the point. Can get a bit tricky to sharpen. The handle is not the same one that I had. Mine was an all black, almost a carbon fiber looking handle, and that was my first Benchmade. Absolutely loved it. Unfortunately got it stolen at my first job. I ended up picking up another one here at the shop, the Griptilian. I picked this one up right before I went to the beach. And the reason I picked this one is obviously Griptilian has a really nice grip, real firm, just really sturdy. And then again, this straight blade, very easy to sharpen and maintain. Another thing that obviously exclusive to Benchmade is this axis lock, which makes it with one hand very easily deployable. I had another one. Still, I'm trying to figure out which model it was so I can show the guys. But another one that I ended up getting stolen. It's one of the downsides of having a good knife. That's about it. I will be continuing to pick up Benchmade for, as long as I have more money to spend towards them. Definitely worth the money that they charge. So highly recommend this Griptilian and highly recommend this Rift. Thank you. Have a good day.